So in this video I am going to translate some really cool Signal features and tricks to you which are remarkably marvelous. So stay tuned till the very end of this video. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. Using Signal app, you can send one-time viewable images. These images will automatically disappear from both the ends after being seen by the receiver. So in order to use this trick, just select an image you want to and then tap on infinity icon located at the bottom left corner and change it to 1x, and now send the image and it will disappear from both the ends after being opened by the receiver. So we all know that Signal is a privacy focused app, therefore it does not create any backup, neither local or on cloud. But if you want to create a local backup of your messages and media, then you have an option to do that. In order to enable backup, open settings page and now tap on chats and now enable chat backups on. While enabling it, you will receive a passphrase. Carefully note it down because while restoring the backup, you will be asked to enter this passphrase in order to restore and decrypt your backup. Finally, enable the checkbox and tap on enable backups. Signal app has a cherry on top feature to automatically delete your old messages. Basically, you will have to instruct the app to automatically delete old messages if a conversation exceeds a specified number of messages. In order to toggle this feature on, open settings page and now tap on data and storage, then tap on manage storage. Here you have to enable delete old messages. Now you have to select number of messages, after which old messages will be automatically deleted, and you can also personalize other options here. Sometimes it's very difficult to search for a particular message sent or received months ago, but you can easily search for them. In order to search for a particular message, open up a conversation tab, then tap on 3-dot menu located at the top left corner of the conversation tab. Now tap on search option and now you can look for some specific messages with the help of some text. If you are using Signal app to take pleasure of privacy, then using normal keyboard basically ruins the whole concept, because keyboard usually record and learn words you are typing to basically personalize their services. But you can ask Signal app to enforce incognito keyboard for you, which will restrict keyboard applications to learn what you are typing. To toggle incognito keyboard, just open settings page and tap on privacy, and here enable incognito keyboard, and that's it. Now onwards, no longer none of your typing will be recorded by keyboards while using Signal app in particular. Similarly, like Snapchat, Signal app also provides you with an option to restrict screenshots. This feature restricts users from taking screenshots of chats. Even you can't take a screenshot. So in order to toggle this feature on, open settings page by tapping on profile icon and now tap on privacy. Here you have to enable screen security, and that's it. So these were some really cool features provided by Signal app which I found interesting, and I expect same from you. If you found this video informative, then a sub to the channel would be marvelous. And peace out.